It's interesting how we view ourselves. We view ourselves primarily by looking at ourselves in the mirror or having other people compliment us or not. But when photographs are taken, that's a big game changer. This goes beyond being photogenic. This goes beyond anything that we might experience in having our picture taken. When we're taking a picture of our mouth and teeth, it's very different. I think the first time that I really started paying attention to my mouth was when I got braces. And since I had a positive experience, I was looking to do more improvement. Dr. Geller emphasized balance in one's mouth, symmetry, essentially. What was happening was, although my teeth were straight, they lacked symmetry. There was no balance to my mouth. And that was no fault of anybody doing what they were doing. When things happen over a period of time, your teeth change color, gum issues, etc.
A number of years ago, Bob and I sat down and had a conversation about his smile. And he wanted to investigate, hey, what can be done to step up my smile quite a bit. Overall, his mouth was in excellent, healthy shape. This was straight up cosmetics.
Well, the game plan was to replace certain crowns, and then whatever crowns weren't in my mouth would be covered by veneers. It's subtle, but anything that one can do to improve their appearance, I think helps. I was speaking with someone that I had never met before, a complete stranger, and she complimented me. She said, "Wow, you have a great dentist. You should let that dentist know they did a great job on your mouth." It's subtle things like that. You just feel better about yourself.
What we achieved with a combination of crowns and laminates, some minor periodontal work, was phenomenal. Fast forward to the present, he's ecstatic with the results. Everything's been very successful, and it was really great to be there along the way and help him through the process and help him achieve his goals.